Growing pains never stop, but the objective is to conquer them and move on to new ones. Hey, this is Rochelle, and welcome to Multiple Passive Streams of Income. My Amazon journey starts in 2019, and that year was consumed with a tremendous learning curve and 3 failed products. There are so many moving parts involved with an Amazon private label business, and they all require dedicated skill sets. Everyone starts at this point, and then as you learn all that is involved and realize the business model is strong, you decide to move forward. And usually people consume all the YouTube content they can find time for, and maybe eventually that leads to buying a course. Now, after 3 failed products and accumulated debt, I had no choice but to take a leap of faith and hire a coach. It was a very hard decision. Remember, I'm already in debt from the 3 failed products, and now I'm going to incur more debt by hiring a coach. It was a big decision, but my back was against the wall. And what other choice do I have? I already tried other business opportunities like Forex trading, Facebook ads, drop shipping, print on demand, to name a few. But what made complete sense to me is that selling on Amazon is a solid business model. And I know the customers are there already. So my job is to figure out how other people are succeeding on Amazon, and bam, the first hurdle is immediate, which is product selection. What product should I sell? This is the most important component to get right. No other component matters until you get this component right. So when I took that leap of faith and hired a coach, which allowed me to discover my first successful product, it allowed me to know this was for real and it was possible. If you're interested in coaching, by the way, I have a link in the description below for AOE, and my coach's name is Jeffrey Loho. AOE's subscription-based memberships will allow you to get a feel before taking that leap of faith, so definitely check it out. Now, once you learn how to find your first successful product, it's only then the other skill sets become essential. In my opinion, optimizing PPC is the second most important skill. You have to overcome the first hurdle of product selection, and now it's your job to get that product on as many page ones as possible. So 2020 was my learning curve for PPC. Then I experienced 2020 Q4, and my product sold more in the month of December than all the other months combined. In 2020, I also expanded to Amazon Canada. I was selling in Australia already since 2019, and Australia hasn't been profitable for me, but adding Canada was a good add. The demand is less than the US, but the sales are more profitable because my PPC spend is a lot less in Canada. Now, am I a PPC expert? Absolutely not. But this improved skill set allows me to be profitable while I get better at it. So, I'll repeat, the growing pains never stop, but the objective is to conquer them and move on to new ones. This year, I got VAT registered to sell in the UK. I'm also brand registered now, and I have my second product at Amazon.com and Amazon CA. I have an order being manufactured now with 2 additional products. So hopefully by June, I have 4 products selling in the US, Canada, and in the UK. At that time, I hope to optimize all my ASINs so I can be optimized for 2021 Q4. So now another learning curve has occurred along with more growing pains. Navigating the VAT system in the UK and learning how to use brand registry for an advantage is going to be a huge learning curve. In preparing for my 2020 taxes, I discovered all these invisible fees that Amazon charges. These charges are not obvious as a beginning seller. And these fees include storage fees, overage fees, promo fees, removal fees, and there may be even some more fees that I haven't discovered yet. So far, I've mentioned a lot of moving parts. PPC optimization, selling in multiple marketplaces, dealing with VAT taxation, creating new products, brand registry. I mean, a whole lot of moving parts. So as an Amazon seller with a full-time and a part-time W-2 job, it is very overwhelming. So I need to find out how I can apply better systems to do a better job than I can do individually. How can I implement systems to detect leakage? Because just as important as making profits is detecting and minimizing processes that are wasting money. For example, cutting off unprofitable keywords earlier, enhancing cash flow, and controlling inventory and my sell-through a lot better than I'm doing now. A big leakage now for me is inventory, and Amazon's inventory limits are killing me. For most sellers, Amazon is giving a 200 unit limit. A beginner would say, just order every month, but it's not that simple. My product takes a month to 2 months to manufacture, and then there's a 2-month delivery period. There's the picking up of the inventory from the supplier, the measurement and weight checks at the shipper's warehouse, then there's a wait for a ship to depart, then there's the sea shipping time, and then Amazon relocates the product amongst their warehouses. So that delays the inventory being added to your listing and made available for sale. So again, a beginner will say, well, just order every month. But logistically, that's not a good answer. So let's say it's March and I have 100 units in stock when I make an order. At that time, Amazon will only allow me to ship 100 units to them. Okay, now in 4 months, those 100 in stock have sold out. So now I'm out of stock until the ordered inventory gets to Amazon and added to the listing. That just costs me money because I'm not able to sell until the new inventory reaches Amazon. Due to these Amazon limitations, I now have to ship inventory to my house. So as soon as I get the inventory, I'm shipping inventory from my house into Amazon. So that costs me additional shipping costs. Then to order every month, I'm ordering in the blind because I have to guess what I think I will sell the most. So if I'm wrong, I'm ordering too much of something and too less of something. So it's not as easy as ordering every month. Another curveball I faced is the second product isn't selling as well as the first, which I didn't predict. So the order I have on the boat now and the order that's being manufactured is second product heavy, which will require me to hold inventory longer for the second product and possibly run out of the first product before the inventory being manufactured arrives. So, growing pains. It's a necessary evil. And this is why I created this channel to document it all for you. I have more to come on how I'm going to create more efficient systems, and I'm definitely going to talk about VAT taxation and brand registry in future videos. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and click the notification bell after you subscribe so you are notified when I drop videos. As always, thanks for your time, as I know you could be any other place right now. Take care.